The Manage All Inventory page helps you maintain buyable, discoverable, and high-quality listings across marketplaces. To access the tool from Seller Central, open the main menu, hover over Inventory, and select Manage All Inventory. This page displays each of your listing's status, product details, performance, inventory, price and shipping cost, and estimated fees. The listing status column indicates if a listing is active. If a listing has a recommended action, you can click on it to fix issues and improve performance. Use the search bar to find listings by ASIN, SKU, or product name, and apply filters to narrow results. To customize your view, click the gear icon to set default layouts and filters. You can add new products or new product variations using the Add Products or Add Variation buttons in the top right corner. Manage individual listings using the 3 vertical dots to the right of each listing. For more ways to manage your business, access the Listing and FBA inventory tools located at the top of the page.